I'm gonna get a bunch of buckets.
Oh, here, I got some buckets for you. Don't use our iron. Don't use our iron.
Thank you. I already have some iron, but thank you.
Oh shit, Ryan's on Serena. I just touched
Dude, no he isn't. You fuck.
He's not.
Oh,
You fucks. You fucks.
Oh.
You bitch.
You little
You dirty
fucks.
bud.
You dirty bird. You're such a dirty bird. No, not Tyler. Xavier's a dirty bird. Okay?
I'm a dirty boy.
You're a dirty bird. Who's been my dirty little birdie?
Oh no. Oh.
What have you started?
Wants to be my dirty little bird.
Dirty boy.
Somebody's been dirty bird today.
Somebody's been very dirty.
I want to be someone's dirty bird.
I'll be your dirty bird.
No, you gotta say dirty bird.
I'll be your
Yeah.
dirty bird.
Boston accent.
I don't.
Dirty bird.
We sound like the little dirty bird from Looney Tunes.
Yeah, that's the point. That's why I said.
Wow.
See, he actually said dirty word, but then I thought of Tweety Bird when he said that, so I said dirty bird. The dirty bird. Oh no, The dirty bird.
And the dirty bird, the dirty bird.
The dirty bird is a dirty bird. Such a dirty bird. There's witches under the stairs.
I'm used to it now. Die, chicken.
What's No, look! I can make roasted. I can make roasted chicken, Tyler. Look at this.
Huh? Oh!
Roasted chicken.
My levels.